Good morning, everybody. I'm feeling like doing a reverse coloring page. If you guys are unfamiliar with reverse coloring, this is the book I'm using. Let me zoom out because this is the book I'm using. These pages can be torn out of the book. They're perforated. And they're just like pre-colored pages, and then you put the lines on. Here's some ones I've done in the past. I think that was the last one I did. You never know what you're going to come up with when you do it. Sometimes they're very straightforward. Sometimes they come out completely different than when you expect. But I enjoy doing this when I don't feel like doing anything that's tough on my brain. So today we're going to do this. I'm going to maybe use my acrylic paint pens and work on some of these. I'm going to just do these little leaf shape. Using the paint pen rather than like a fine liner. I think this will do what I want. Kind of like that. Why do I feel like doing this? I don't know. I just didn't feel like doing a pattern today. So, we're not. That's okay. They don't all the days don't have to be the same. In your art journey, I'm going to add some more yellow in the middle of this. Something like this. And then maybe a little bright flash right in the middle of those petals. To give them a little something different than what they started with. Something like that. All right. That's good to start with. Let's do this green. I don't know that I have. I don't have to do them all in paint marker, do I? I can use that one and that one. I can combine my my acrylic markers with my water-based pens. Why not? Why not, right? Just adding a little bit more. And then I think it will need a black line for this one. Just adding a little extra color. We're making this color pop. Why not? That one is kind of light. Almost white, this green. Yeah, that one's not what I'm looking for. Let's use this pen. What pen is this? I don't know. Does it need to be pushed down? I don't know that either. Oh, yes, it does. Come on. That one's not giving me what I'm looking for, is it? No, it doesn't seem to be. Let's use this one. Just give it, I don't know, a little movement, a little something that's not already on the page. And these guys, they feel like they're some kind of almost chrysanthemum-like flower in here, right? Like that. It's kind of what they look like. Not quite like a rose. More of a curly petaled flower. It's kind of what that looks like to me. Maybe if I put a little color on that. What color do I want that to be? Let's go with a pink. Add a little color. Nothing says you can't add color to these. Even though it's already colored, you can add more. Change the color if you want. Something like that. Does it need more? I think I want a darker, maybe a darker gray. Kind of a silvery gray in here. Yeah, something like that. Give it a little shadow. Okay, yeah. That's what it needed. These flowers needed a little shadow, so do these. Give it a little extra shadowing. That's what this pen seems to be doing. All right, oh, over here. It's a cool gray, I think that's what this is. Okay, something like that. I think I'm done. I think that's all I want to do for today. Why? I don't know. It's just what I felt like doing. Just sign it. Ah! Knocking things over. Don't knock things over, Dawn. Not necessary. Put everything back in. Am I done? Do I need anything else on there? I don't think I do. I think that's good enough. Just a fun little reverse coloring page for today. That's what I felt like doing. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on the next video, which will be what? Monday, which will make it a coloring book page day. So I'll see you then. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.